Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Coach KoKo and I love volleyball. So much so my channel is full of tips, tricks, hacks, and everything you could ever need to know about volleyball. So today, as you can see by my bag here, this is the first time I'm opening my volleyball bag in 5 months. Let's look into it. I feel like I'm gonna get sad because I want to play so bad, but I don't even know what I left in here since March. Alright, let's get right into it. So I have my coffee here because I feel like this is gonna be something real. But I'm gonna open this, crack this baby open. Let's go. All right, so first I have my really old headphones. My really old headphones. They're really good though, because I like to drown everything out and I can't really hear anything. So I have my really old headphones. Look at them things. Oh snap! I have my volleyball t-shirt from our league, from our volleyball league. Ooh, my volleyball t-shirt. So, I have my Volleycountry knee pads. They actually smell good. Oh yeah, I washed them before. Ooh girl, cause you know the knee pads smell really bad sometimes. So, oh, my knee pads. I have my sweat-wicking sweat rag. When I just wick off sweat rag. Now, sometimes I use this at a volleyball league or something like that if I get super sweaty. So this is my wick off sweat rag. My ankle brace. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you remember that video I did where I hurt my ankle for such a long time? I am so happy that my ankle is starting to heal now, and it's been healed. Right after I came back to play, then we went into lockdown, and it's but I have my ankle brace. It has some fuzzy stuff on it because something locked onto it, but there's my ankle brace. I'm just gonna keep her just in case something happens. Just in case. I have icy hot spray. I don't know if you can see this well enough. Let's see. I have some icy hot spray for that hot shoulder. I'll have my yoga socks. So I have had these for years because I practice yoga from time to time. I said time to time. I wish I did it every day, but time to time. So I have these in here because sometimes I keep my gym bag in my car. So here are my yoga socks. And these are socks that you can slip on your feet. So when I go to yoga class, I'm not one of those people who like to be bare feet in yoga class. I mean, sue me. But I got my yoga socks. Always clutch is some deodorant. I have some deodorant, which is always clutch because you never know when the funk will catch up with you. I have a little bit of baby lotion, this Japanese cherry blossom lotion. I don't know, my camera is not focusing right now. I have some Japanese cherry blossom lotion here. Let's see what else. Remember in that video I said that you need to have a little band-aid kit? I keep this band-aid kit with me because I want to make sure there's only a little bit in here. Sometimes people get boo-boos and you got to make sure that you're prepared. I have my change purse with change in it and a $1 bill that I'm going to put in there because sometimes when I go to volleyball meets and I want something from the vending machine, I don't take my wallet inside because things do happen and somebody might take something from my bag. So, I keep maybe $5 on me so that way I can go to the vending machine if I need to go to the vending machine. I have some tissues. Look, okay, so as you can already tell, I'm the kind of person that when you go out on vacation or you pack, that person that is always over-prepared. That's me, and I want you to be over-prepared because trust me, I hate not having something when I need it, and this is why I have all of this in here because I always need something and it's in here. But I have little tissues. This is probably bad, honestly. Is it? Oh, it's so good. This Lenny's and Larry's apple pie cookie. Look, this cookie is so good. It is so good. So good. It's all crumbled though. I kind of want to eat it though. Let's see. Where are you going, Rufus? Rufus, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hey, baby. Hey. You want to say hi to all of the subscribers? Hey. Hey, it's me, Rufus. Hey, I'm just a Volley dog now. Yes, I'm a Volley dog. Yeah. You want to sit here? Come on, baby. Okay. I have my little sunscreen and perfume bag because sometimes I have to go places after volleyball and change clothes there, and I don't want to be the funk. So I have that here in this little 3 bag. What else do I have here? Okay, I have some of my GoPro filming equipment when I film videos for you guys, and I do like playing videos. I have a GoPro, and that's what I use for my GoPro filming equipment. I have this miscellaneous bag, and in this miscellaneous bag I have scrunchies, KT tape, Tiger Balm. I have some feminine products. Just some miscellaneous stuff that I think that I would need. I don't know why I have a Listerine breath spray in here, but always prepared, KoKo. I have a comb because, you know, I always try to be prepared. And then, let's see, I have a little change purse here. More scrunchies. Look, you will need this, swear. I have the iPhone charger end because I always bring the charger, but I never bring the end. In here, I have a lock for the locker because you need to lock your locker because if you can go to the gym, which, you know, as you become an adult, that's when you start going to the gym to stay in shape. You need to have a lock on your locker. Let's take a look on the sides. More scrunchies, some miscellaneous garbage, more scrunchies. On this other side, I have my shoes that I got from Nike. They're actually a little size big. So these are my injury shoes. These are the shoes that I wear when my ankle was swollen up because they're a little bit big. They're a half size too big. But I put some Dr. Scholl's in there so it's extra comfy and all of that. So now that my ankle feels better, I probably will size back down to my regular shoe size. Let me go through the rest of this. And I think that's it. An empty hand sanitizer bottle. Yeah, I have my hand sanitizer thing right here in the front. So yeah, that's everything that I have in my volleyball bag for the last 5 months. I know that a lot of us won't be playing volleyball this year, but I really hope to keep up with the volleyball content so that way, even though we won't be playing, we can still be passionate about it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I really hope that you like this video. What's in your volleyball bag, or what would you have in your volleyball bag right now? Make sure to put it in the comments because I definitely want to know. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.